What's going on there, YouTube? It's your boy Motorcycle G coming at you. Back on the S1000RR. A little bit of fog this morning, chilly morning. A little 0 to 60, 0 to whatever the crap we feel like. Let's see. Woo, nice little wheelie. Yeah, 0 to 100 with a little bit of wheelie pit stop in between, rocking it out. Nice. I guess I'm getting a little bit better at wheelies. Let me know in the comments if you think I'm getting a little bit better. I gotta like figure out how to ride it out. I am in race mode, okay? So I'm not in slick mode. So you gotta give me a little bit of slack here on that. Alright, so like I said, about 55, 60 degrees this morning. It's a bit brisk. Yesterday's texting while driving count was at least 1.5. HOV no-go for today. So we're going to have to be fighting traffic the whole way. But the good news is halfway through we're going to be getting you really nice views across the bridge. I have a feeling you're going to enjoy it. Goes through the fog, if you can see up front. A couple buildings. Now it's only 2 lanes, so it's not like three lanes. Goes down into 2. Medium. In the left-hand lane, but it's got a nice little pull afterwards. You see it just sticking out of the top of the clouds there. I don't think we're going to be able to get a view today. Oh yeah, nice little backfire for you. Yeah, it's too foggy. I don't think we're going to be able to get a view. We'll see. Go a different way. A little heavy braking. Was fun right through there. Oh, you can see a little bit, a couple bridges. Nothing crazy though. Sun's just starting to poke out. Yeah, of course, as soon as we get across the bridge, then you can see everything. It's beautiful just running right into the city here. Alright guys, we'll catch you next time. This is Motorcycle G out. Like, comment, subscribe. Please help out. Appreciate you.